I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Google account Bgmi uses is set to India and logged into Play Store. Next, add funds, redeem a Play Balance gift card, or link UPI/credit card so purchases can apply discounts. Also activate any available Google Play promotions and check Play Points status. Once done, make sure the Play Store app is updated. This ensures discount rules and billing flows appear correctly when you later buy UC inside Bgmi. Now open Bgmi and pick the UC pack you want. At checkout, always choose Google Play as the billing method. This is where discounts and Play Store offers are applied. If you have Play Balance, promo code, or Play Points, redeem them on the Play checkout screen. They reduce the payable amount immediately. Pay attention to any checkboxes for coupons or subscriptions. Selecting them applies the discount. If multiple discounts exist, Google Play prioritizes balance and valid promo codes first. Finish by confirming the Google Play receipt and watching UC appear in your Bgmi inventory. Check Play purchase history for the transaction ID. If the discount didn't apply, don't panic. Cancel or refund if eligible, switch to the proper Google account or payment method, and retry the checkout so Play can reevaluate offers. If UC still doesn't arrive or the discount vanished, contact Google Play support with the order ID and then Bgmi support. This provides proof and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.